Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Alisa. Today I'm making Massaman Curry with pork for dinner. So I would love to share you guys with my homemade recipe. How to make it? Let's get started. I'm going to boil the potato and carrot. Make sure the water is hot and get a bubble and add the potato and carrot into the water. After 15 minutes, the potato and carrot is already cooked. I'm going to remove the potato and carrot to cold water. Turn on a medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or vegetable oil into the pan. After the oil heat up, I'm going to add onion and stir fry until the onion turn a little bit golden brown and smell good. Slow down the heat to medium-low and add the curry paste. Stir the curry paste until the curry smells good. Add a liquid of coconut milk into the curry and stir until the curry and coconut milk mixing together and smooth. Add all coconut milk to the curry paste. Continue stir until the coconut milk and curry paste mixing well. Add salt, palm sugar, fish sauce, and peanut into the curry sauce. Add 2 inches fat small tamarind into the sauce. And add the pork. Do not stir the pork until the curry boils. Add half a cup of water into the curry. After the pork is cooked, I'm going to add the potato and carrot cooked into the curry sauce and continue stir a little bit and let it boil. I'm going to remove the tamarind out from curry. I don't want to taste more sour. Well done, massaman curry with pork. This curry served for 5 people. Hope you enjoy with my video. See you guys next time. Bye.